I'm going to show you how to water your seedlings using the Mittleider method. The first thing that you'll need is the constant feed. Take a look at our other video if you want to see how to make that. So I usually keep that in a 5-gallon bucket. I'll make it the night beforehand so that all of the sediment has a chance to get diluted in it, but there still tends to be a little bit in the bottom. Now when you actually go to water them, you can use a watering can, but it tends to have too small of holes in it for all of the little pieces of sediment that are in there. So here's your other option. You just use a large nail and a hammer, and you make your holes in the bottom of a can. I like to do somewhere around 12 holes. So then when it comes time to do the actual watering, I give my constant feed one more stir, just to get that sediment suspended in the liquid. And then you scoop it up with your can, holding the bucket over the top. And it gives you a pretty gentle sprinkle over the top, but it really quickly waters it. And that's all there is to it.